After the pandemic, over 20 million Americans started gardening for the first time. Crucial to feed the nation during World War II, community gardens, or allotments as we call them in the UK, are in high demand with sometimes years-long waitlists to cultivate your own small plot of land. Despite the strong community, 40% of new gardeners give up in the first year due to poor yield and feeling overwhelmed. My husband Alex and I built Pocket Garden, a gardening companion app to help new gardeners make the most of their garden all year round using data, shared knowledge, and AI technology. Pocket Garden relies on a multi-agent system running locally on multiple ARM-based Raspberry Pis. We have implemented a minimal OpenAI compatible multimodal server. The Gradier-based UI connects to the multi-agent system from which the orchestrator calls the search and vision agents in parallel. The output of these two agents is used to engineer the context for the main agent, which generates a response for the user. Only the main agent sees the entire conversation. The two agents perform specific tasks to assist the main agent. They respectively have access to images and to two APIs, OpenEPI to get the soil type and OpenMeteor to obtain weather data based on users' location. We have determined which model to use for each agent, depending on their quality, speed, context length, and modalities they support. For example, the main agent needs to support long multi-turn conversations with the user, so we choose Llama 3, a long context text-only LLM. The vision and search agents do not need particularly long context lengths, but the vision agent needs to support images in input, so we choose Gemma 3. For the search agent, we decided to use Qwen 3. Each model runs on a separate ARM device, a Raspberry Pi 5 and two Raspberry Pi 4. Now, let's see a full demo. Let's say I'm in San Diego. A map appears, and on the right side, you can see weather, precipitation, and soil information for your location, and some gardening tips. Let's use one of the example questions. The chatbot doesn't just answer my question, it makes API calls to access localized data to provide personalized gardening advice. Now let's try with a picture of a plant that is not doing so well. To go further, we could also give Pocket Garden access to additional data, for example data from local sensors placed around your own garden to monitor your plants, or even control an automated watering system.